directions or information from a paper operations and maintenance O&M, why does it always seem like you don't have enough time to look for them? This challenge can be addressed through easy-to-access electronic O&Ms. Our team has worked with various public utilities for water, wastewater, stormwater, and the like to convert paper O&Ms digitally. To develop an O&M that works for everyone, we interview diverse groups of users from operations to engineering about equipment within their facilities. This ensures not only knowledge incorporation and documentation, but also addresses organizational knowledge gaps. Customizing electronic O&Ms can result in increased efficiency, cost savings, enhanced reliability, improved customer satisfaction, competitive advantage, and long-term partnerships.